Ooh. This is the elevator at the Cheesecake Factory in downtown Chicago at the John Hancock Center. No idea what this is. I don't think this is the top. Oh. Now it is. Weird. Here's your COP, 2,500 pound capacity. Innovation Universal and bar buttons with an 88 phone. Interesting tab. It's nice, I like it. Here are at LR. I think to open the front door too. Yep, I did. Oh, whoa. What's out here? That's the kitchen. It's on two. I'm guessing this is an Otis. I like these bar buttons. I don't know if anyone's ever filmed this before or not.